The local government. Zambia is divided into 10 provinces administered by officials appointed by the central government. Each province in Zambia is further divided into districts. Around 55% of Zambians, they live in towns and in cities, giving Zambia one of the highest urbanization rates in Africa. Lusaka, as well as other large towns, has a city council. Elections in urban areas are organized on a ward system. Urban local authorities, they do the following. They levy taxes, they borrow money, they carry out town planning, they own and manage housing projects, they control roads, water, health facilities, and other public services within their areas. Administrative districts laying outside the municipal and township areas are governed by rural councils consisting of elected members and a minority of nominated members, mainly chiefs. The functions and powers of rural councils are similar to those of urban local authorities. This arrangement is what is called the local government. We'll talk about now the functions of the local government. The functions of the local government. Number 1. To provide services such as fire services, garbage services, libraries, streetlights, and seeing to it that repairs are made to the roads and keeping city parks clean and watered. Without them, none of these things would get done or repaired, and we would all live in chaos. Number 2, the local governments also make recommendations to the central government on the economic planning. Number 3, they also collect rates and levies in their areas. Number 4, establishment and maintenance of cemeteries. Number 5, establishment, maintenance, and regulations of slaughterhouses, markets, car parks, public conveniences, and sewage, as well as refuse disposals. Number 6, they are also responsible for registrations of all births, deaths, and marriages. Number 7, local governments also control and regulate outdoor advertising, movement, and keeping of pets of all descriptions. The functions of shops and kiosks and licensing regulations, and also controls the sale of liquor. These are the 7 main functions that are performed by the local government.
Yeah.